Do you looking for the digital version and small size for the mini servo compared to the B05? Hello, this is Andy from the team Savox. So today I want to introduce the new product for you guys. This one is a SH-0266. So it's a hub line of mini servo. So this one is the smaller size we have for the mini servo. And the spec for this servo is in 6 volt will be 0.13 and 8.5 kilogram. So compared to the B05, the main difference is the size. So the dimension for the wider for the B05 is 35 millimeters, so it's more wider, and for SH-0266 it's 32 millimeters. So the size will be smaller, more compact. So the different PCB, different size, and also the spec is different. For the B05, it's only 5 kilogram, and the speed will be 0.16. The new SH-0266 provide more speed, more torque, and digital servo. So this servo will be available at end of June. So if you need further information, please contact with our distributor or visit our website, Team Savox. Thank you.